What is up, YouTube peeps? I have no motivation at all to work on my car today. I don't know, and it's actually kind of hot today, even though it's winter. It's kind of weird, but that's Georgia for you. But today we're going to be installing a head unit that actually works. Well, should work because it's new, but we'll see. And we'll be putting in the suede, or what is this Alcantara dash trim to go over it. It's a one-piece dash trim with an 86 logo on it. I've showed you this stuff before, but yeah, head unit that works. I have a strong feeling this may be one of those installs that I take a fat L on and probably won't be able to do, but we'll see, because the one that's in there is janky and I don't know what the wiring behind it looks like. So I'm bad at wiring, and this thing requires a lot of wiring stuff. So okay, not excited about doing this, but let's do it. All right, so I've never done this before, so I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But I think this can be pulled off by hand. I'm not sure if I can figure this out. Oh, heck. Okay, well, that wasn't hard. Rest in peace to my Goku sticker. Okay, that side's off. Now I just gotta get this side off. I hope it's the same thing. Oh, well, yeah, there it is. Just pull it off. Cool. And there's, see, one, two. There's 3 bolts that hold this in. So I'm gonna go grab a wrench and yank these 4 bolts out. Tell somebody to replace this. They didn't even tighten this bottom bolt all the way back up. It's loose. Hopefully I don't drop it. Alright, let's see what kind of mess we got back here. Wow. I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at right now. But it doesn't want to come out too far. So that's about as far as I can pull out. There's a cord back here holding it, I guess. Yeah. This is gonna take some figuring out. It seems like there's a lot of plugs back there not being used, like that, and like 2 other ones, this one, which may be the reason why there's no radio in here. Who knows? This thing might have all kinds of features that I don't know about, but don't work because there's just a lot of, not a lot of plugs being used in here. Oh boy. All right, real quick, I guess I'll pull out and show you what exactly I have. This is a Seicane, I think that's how you pronounce it. Wires that, you know, I don't like wires. And hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, here's the Seicane head unit. It has nice tactile knobs that I like. Supposedly has navigation. Supposed to have GPS, Bluetooth, all that good stuff that the one I have doesn't have. Why's my phone ring? All right, here's the back of it. I'm gonna have to go in the car and look and see what's what. I think there's a harness in the one that's in here already that I need to pull all that out just to get it down to all the stock stuff, I think, because I have one of these. It looks like there's one of these in there already, so I'm gonna try to see if that comes out, just so I can get it down to the OEM wires. I don't know what in there is OEM and what's not, but I'm gonna go through it and look and see if I can, you know, figure out what goes where. But see, it has a spot for GPS that says radio. I assume that's all on this piece. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm looking at. This is gonna be a headache. I don't know what in ghetto heaven is going on with this thing. I'm gonna have to like hop on somewhere and do like some research and try to figure this out, because I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. I don't know what's what goes where, what does what. Ugh, I hate wiring with a passion. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've been fiddling with this a bit. I can't find anything just readily online for the help I need. And I really don't want to take this to like a professional, so I just found like 2 plugs that fit together. There should be another plug right here. I know this, but whoever did this, I guess cut it off and spliced in this new harness thing. This isn't supposed to be here. Everything from here back isn't supposed to be here. This is the harness that came with the head unit, and so there's a plug missing. Unfortunately, all these are labeled speakers. All of these are labeled speakers to each spot in the car. So this may turn on, but I'm almost 100% certain nothing's gonna play, because I don't have it looks to me like there's no speakers plugged up. So I'm just gonna turn on the car and see what happens. Maybe it'll turn on, maybe it won't. I really don't know, because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So I'm just gonna turn the car on. Alright, here goes nothing. Hopefully that don't kill the battery again. Alright, yeah, so nothing happened like I kind of figured. I'm not gonna keep the car on because it'll kill the battery, but I'm gonna keep playing with these plugs until I figure this out. I hope you didn't come here thinking this was gonna be a how-to video. This is just a Chandler is stupid video and doesn't know wiring, so enjoy. Okay, so I've been sitting here probably fiddling with this for like an hour. My worst fears have been realized. This thing was definitely nigger rigged up before I bought it. Whoever owned it last, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I have most of the aftermarket harness put in. All of that is useless. This is what was installed by the previous owner to run the crappy head unit right there. But there's supposed to be a connector right here where all these little shrink connectors are. There's supposed to be one of these plastic connectors like this right here. And the power wire, all the most important wires are right here. But I can't use any of them because all of this is attached to it, and there's supposed to be a connector right here. Like this red one, that's power, and all these other ones are for like the 2 front speakers, 2 rear speakers. The ground is right here. That's just like electrical taped on. I don't know what the yellow one is. Yeah, so everything that makes the system work is right here and attached to this, and I can't use it because, yeah, reasons. There's no connector. I even tried plugging in this black connector into the new head unit because that's the same connector. It fits, but I plug it in and it doesn't work because I assume there's some other things that need to be plugged into it. But I can't run it all. I even tried like halfway using this one, the new one, and then using like part of the old one. It just doesn't work. It doesn't even turn on. So I'm in a little bit of a predicament because I don't really know what to do besides try to find the connector and like buy it online and try to repin it, I guess. Kind of like how I did the headlights for the BRZ headlights. and try to make it back to stock, I guess, or get a professional to do it, because I really don't know what else to do. So like I said, I was probably going to be catching an L on this episode, which I am. I don't know if this will be its own video or if I'll continue this video in another one, you know, or if I'll continue this video once I figure out or find a solution. I really have no idea, but I'm kind of lost right now. That's working on cars for you. What can you do? Okay, so I tried using the harness that was for the old head unit. It powers up when I plug this in, but when I plug this one in, it doesn't power up. Reason being, the red is the power wire, as you can see, but on this one, the red is, if it'll focus, is in a different spot on the connector. So that means power on here is a different pin than it is on that one. So maybe if I were able to, since this one is probably going to end up being junk anyway, maybe if I could repin this one and make all the connectors fit, or if I could change all the wires around to make it the same as this one, then this connector should work. It should, if I can figure out what cord is what and switch them all around. Even though I think this one has one more cord on it than this one does. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a wiring expert, but yeah, power is in a different position on this one. This is the new one, that's the old one. The power's on a different position in this connector than it is from that one. So that's why this harness isn't working when I plug that one in, that one being the old one. And yeah, I'm just brainstorming here because this is giving me a headache trying to figure this out, but I'm figuring out little by little why it doesn't work. Alright, so I decided, instead of like waiting for who knows how long to get this thing back working correctly, I'm just going to go ahead and install what I can install and just put it all back how it's supposed to be. And then at a later date, I'll more than likely just take it to somebody and see if they can get it fixed. Like a audio store or whatever, somebody that does that stuff all the time, because I'm not equipped to deal with it and I don't have the patience to deal with it. So I'm already in here ripping stuff out of the car out of frustration. So I'm just gonna throw it in like it's supposed to be, and then later on I will take it somewhere and I'm gonna put the suede dash trim in over it so I can see how it looks.
Point that shit right at the cop. Told you she love when it drops. Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutty, she say do them all.
I think I put them in upside down. When I say I put them upside down, I mean these little bracket things that hold it in. I actually had it that way, but it's supposed to go this way, at least for this head unit anyway. So yeah, I had that backwards. And now for the piece that's really gonna tie this all together, the suede dash trim. Should just pop right on, hopefully. We'll see. Something definitely just fell back into the back of my dash. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Alright, so like I told you guys at the beginning of this video, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let me put it on autofocus. I have no idea what I'm doing. I was having trouble getting this thing to fit because the head unit was sticking out too far, and it was sticking out too far because I didn't put the screws on these brackets in the right holes on the side of the head unit. But I did that now. I'm pretty sure I got it right. It's sitting back where it's supposed to be, and now hopefully this thing should just pop right on. Hopefully. Oh yeah, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Hold on.
I really get jiggy with backhands. This tank in the back in the gas can. Acid done fuck with my cast scan. Don't be afraid of this black man. Don't be afraid of my mask then. Came from the dark on my dad's skin. Giving my first to my last kin. Rubbing the lotion, ain't asking. Point that shit right up.
Okay, so I guess that's pretty much gonna do it. This has been honestly a failed install and a huge headache and pain in the butt that is not done, or I'm not done with yet. So I'm gonna have to fix this up sometime at some point in the future, but at least it looks better in here. It's a lot cleaner, that's for sure. So the look I'm going for is slowly but surely coming together. So I'm gonna clean all this crap up, all these tools and stock parts, and put them somewhere and go have a nice heavy drink. And yeah, so I guess that's the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like these videos, and I will see you guys on the next episode. I don't know what I'm doing on the next episode yet. I guess the only thing left to do is start on exterior, because you guys know I have the Pandem kit. So be looking out for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutty, she say do them all. Yeah. Put that shit right at the cop. Let's go. Told you she love when it drop. Let's go. Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutty, she say do them all.